harder. Come in. I'm so glad you made it. It's raining quite hard outside, isn't it? But don't worry too much about it. You're absolutely safe in here. I've got the coziest spot all set up for us. Look, soft blankets, fluffy pillows, and even a little cup of hot cocoa for you. Maybe I should have preferred some waffles. Oh well. But yeah, be careful of that. It's very hot. Can you smell that? It's a mix of vanilla candles and old books. This is my favorite little library nook. I come here all the time to relax. And tonight, I thought it'd be nice to share it with you. Come, sit over here. There. Comfy? Okay, that's good. Let's just sit here for a moment and listen to the rain. It's so peaceful, don't you think? You know, I was thinking, since we're here, don't you think it's the perfect time to read a story together? I've got this beautiful old book of fairy tales. It's full of adventures, magic, and a happy ending. Would you like that? Okay, great. I just find my favorite one. Here it is. This one is about a little star who wanted to find its place in the sky. Once upon a time, there was a tiny star named Luma. Luma was different from the other stars. It sadly didn't shine as brightly as the others, and it always felt a little out of place. One night, Luma decided to leave its corner of the sky and go on an adventure. But in the end, Luma finally realized that it didn't have to be the brightest star to be special. It just needed to be itself. And when it returned home, the other stars welcomed it back with open arms, because they had missed its unique glow all along. Ah, I love that story. It reminds me that everyone has their own light, even if it feels small sometimes. You have a light like that too, you know? Anyway, I'm so glad you're here with me tonight. It's nice to just slow down and enjoy the little things, like the sound of the rain and the feeling of being safe and cared for. Oh, excuse me. I think the cozy vibes are getting to me. Maybe we should just rest here for a bit. You can close your eyes if you want. I'll be right here with you. You're doing great, you know. Just breathing, relaxing, and letting go of any worries. That's all you need to do right now. You know what I've been thinking about lately? How sometimes the small things can make us so happy. Like the smell of fresh bread or the sound of birds in the morning. Do you have a little thing like that? Something that always makes you smile? For me, the sound of pages turning in the book is like each page is a new beginning, you know? You're such a good listener. I feel like I could tell you anything. Sometimes, when I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, I come here and pretend I'm in a different world. Like, maybe I'm a character in one of these books, living in a magical forest, exploring a faraway kingdom. It helps me remember that life can be an adventure, even when it feels hard. Do you ever do something like that? Imagining yourself somewhere else just for a little while. I'm getting so sleepy, but I don't want this moment to end just yet. Let's stay here for a little longer. Here, lean back on this pillow. It's very soft, isn't it? We can just listen to the rain together. No, you are such a special person. I hope that you know that. You bring so much light to the world. And if you ever forget that, just come back here, okay? I'll always have a blanket and a story waiting for you. You're doing so well. Just letting go, feeling safe, and feeling light. Whenever you're ready, we can end this little escape and go back to the world. But until then, just rest. You deserve it. Sweet dreams, my friend. I'm so glad you're here.